Hey, how you doing? This video I'm going to talk about AMC. What's going on at AMC and why the hype. What's going on? Just in case if you're not familiar, what's going on right now. So let's give you a quick, basically recap of happening. Basically, what's happening now is there's a trading war between retail traders, like myself and a lot of independent or individual traders, against the hedge fund. Okay, the hedge funds, it's basically what's going on now is there is a movement to show the hedge funds that they don't control the market and ruin people's lives. And this is the movement. So all fundamentals are out the window. So you're trying to study fundamentals, analysis, and technical and all that. It's really out the window. It's like it's a war between retail traders and the hedge funds, right? So so what we are doing now is similar to what happened to GME a while back last year. That going against the Citadel, on their shorting and the whole fiasco with Robinhood and all that. So I'm sure if you trade stock, or even if you don't, you probably heard about it. So it's the same thing happening right now, but with AMC. Okay. Um, and what the hedge funds are doing, it's they're doing it again to AMC and the Wall Street Bets team is going against them again, just like exactly what's happening with well, not happening, but what happened with GME. Citadel, Hedgie in particular, is the one that's shorting it, and they're losing billions right now, right? Because of they're shorting, and they're not even the squeeze has not even started yet. So right now everyone is preaching that holding AMC to reach 100k per share, unless it reaches $100,000 per share, or they won't sell. um, so, but for me personally, I think it's not that easy to achieve because there's so many variables involved. If you're not too familiar, then let's take a look. I got the AMC on the screen right now. This is the chart of AMC, and let me see if I should. That's not 1 minute. Let's do a daily chart. So it has shot up, as you can see on the daily chart. It has shot up in the last several days, you know, and it's from here 13 some dollars has shot up to all the way up to 36.72, and then right now it's at around 26.12, trading at 26.12. It's on Friday because it's a long weekend, and usually there's a sell off on a long weekend. And so as you can see, the war has started, and now, as far as the $100,000 target, there will be some taking profits along the way, and that will affect the price. There's no doubt, right? And options expiring will also affect the price as well, as not everyone is willing to exercise their option, so they may just sell their option, and that's going to affect the price. So there's just a couple of variables, but in order to achieve 100k per share, it's not so easy. It's going to be it has to be very determined. It has to be like a real teamwork. Everyone has to be on it. But at the same time, when you achieve 100k per share, it has it's going to be a historic number, and it would affect the stock market tremendously. So it is a great movement. I'm all for it. But I'm not too sure if we might be able to reach 100k. Even close to it, I'd be ecstatic, right? Now, all price target speculations at this point, so it's hard to predict a price target using fundamental analysis. Um, Again, I personally think that it will be in the few $100 very soon, and even may reaching above $1,000. But of course, I don't have a crystal ball, so I don't exactly know how far it'll go, right? I do wish that it would go in the tens of thousands, but I not too sure if it has be able to reach 100K. But this movement is great. It's a great movement, and everyone and on it, it's going to be great benefits to everyone involved. Now, one thing is for sure. Now is the perfect time to get in before the short squeeze, because right now it's only trading at 26.12, and you would be able to achieve a few $100s per share very easily and very, very quickly too, very soon. So, if you get in now, in about a couple of weeks from now, price will be, dramatically high, a lot higher, because gamma squeeze is going to happen, and it's going to fly like crazy, right? Now, just a word of caution. Now, only trade with what you can afford to lose. Okay, um, bills need to be taken care of first. So you need to pay your bills first, and only participate with your extra cash. Okay, so now when you get in, hold and support the movement and make a killing at the same time. So if you get in now 26 something, and if it gets to a few $1,000s, uh, look at that. That's a lot, right? We're talking about hundreds of times of your money, right? So get in. If you see this video right today, when it opens, the market opens on Tuesday. Get in, get involved, because right now everyone is going into to full benefit, and whole support the movement until it gets to the point where it's going to the end of the movement, where the price is going to be going in a different direction, or things going to happen, whatnot. Not to be scared that you won't be able to get pay, because the short the hedge funds, they do have insurance, and it's covering in the trillions of dollars. So even if they can't pay it, the insurance will cover, so you get paid. Just buy and hold. Make sure don't go all in with the money that you don't have. Okay, so any dollar you're buying in is supporting the movement, and do it. Not only you're supporting the movement, but you also gonna be um, laughing all the way to the bank, right? So go for it. Now, to determine the best time to sell is to watch the charts every day, and to notice the downward trend when that happens, right? It will happen very fast, right? When it's going on the downward trend, it's gonna like drop like crazy, like a rock. So keep your eyes on it, okay? Now, if you're new to trading but want to benefit and support the movement, um, in this, like getting your first, Lambo, or getting a certain thing that you might want, and want to benefit greatly in this historic movement, and don't want to get caught holding the bag. What I mean by holding the bag is, if the price drop, and you just keep on holding onto your share, and you just keep on dropping, and you're hoping to bounce back, and you keep on dropping. That's called holding the bag in trading term. Um, then join my Discord group to talk with other members there on AMC. So, if you need any support or any assistance, or talking to other traders and see what's going on, get the latest discussions, latest update, whatever, then join my Discord group. So there are over 100 members in my Discord group. The invite link is in the description below this video. So join in, and then let's go join this movement and make a killing at the same time. So yeah, let's get involved. And I'm already in it. I already been in it for a few days now. In I'm got involved in the tens there. So I'm already up quite a bit, and I'm looking forward to next week. And it's gonna, I sure hope that it's gonna go well over 100 per share. And some are very optimistic that it'd be in a silver $100. So I know it's going to go up. So if you see this video, come and join, support this historic movement, and bang like crazy at the same time. So I will see you in my Discord group, and talk more about AMC. So if you are unsure when to sell whatever, best is to join my Discord group, and the people there will start talking about it, and you get a feel for when it'd be the exact time to sell your AMC, instead of selling it like maybe $1,000 and then sitting there watching it fly to 10,000 or 20,000 per share, and you'll be losing out so much, right? So it's free to join. So look in the description below this video, and I will see you in my Discord group.